In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simple Zoho CRM. We're going to walk through a straightforward way to clean up your layout, add your data quickly, and manage your pipeline so Zoho CRM actually works for you, instead of feeling overwhelming. Follow along in your own account as I talk through each part. First, let's keep the layout clean. In Zoho CRM, go to Settings, then Customization, and then Modules and Fields. This is where you control what shows up on your screens. From the list of modules, select Leads. You'll see all the fields that are currently visible when you create or view a lead. Take a moment to scan through these and identify anything you never use or don't plan to use. To declutter, simply drag any of those unnecessary fields into the Unused Fields tray. This doesn't delete your data. It just hides those fields from your main view so your team can focus on what actually matters. Once you've dragged everything you don't need into Unused Fields, make sure you click Save. A clean layout makes it faster to enter information and reduces mistakes. Next, let's talk about adding data, both manually and in bulk. For manual entry, look at the top header in Zoho CRM and click the plus icon. From the drop-down, choose Lead. This opens a new lead form using the cleaner layout you just set up. Fill in the key details you care about, then save. This is perfect for one-off leads you get from calls, networking, or quick inquiries. If you already have a list of leads, you'll want to import them in bulk. Go to the Leads tab and look for the Import option. Click Import and upload a basic CSV file containing your lead data. Make sure your column headers in the CSV match or can be mapped to the fields you have in Zoho so the data lines up correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts, map each column to the right field, and complete the import. This is the fastest way to get a lot of data into the system. Finally, let's work the pipeline. Go to the Deals tab, which is where you track active opportunities. At the top right, switch to the Kanban view by clicking the icon that looks like 3 vertical bars. Your deals will now be organized into columns by stage. To update a deal's progress, simply drag and drop it from one column to the next as it moves closer to a sale. This visual view makes it easy to see what needs attention and keeps your pipeline organized at a glance.